Morning, good morning. Walang tao sa mall.
Good morning, Gateway Mall. So we are inviting you today here at the activity area. So we are inviting you for our event entitled
dito.
Gateway to Wellness, a Health Huddle. This
First
will
there.
happen from 10 a.m. until 6
Aye.
p.m. So please do come here and get exciting prizes and giveaways for you. This is a free admission event, so
Mall may
don't
event
be
dito.
shy and go
Hindi ko alam kung
here
para saan to.
inside the activity area. So we are also inviting you later on at 11:30 a.m. We will be starting our program,
Care Center.
and we have a doctor
Ganda rito sa
that will
Parangguba.
talk about lifestyle medicine. So we have our doctor for lifestyle medicine specialist, Dr. Maria Helen Grace Perez Florentino, or also known as
Wow.
Dr. Sweet. So she will be explaining lifestyle medicine.
Galing, oh.
So we are inviting you guys at 11:30 here at the Gateway Activity Area. So please do drop by, or if you want to get exciting prizes and get freebies from our
Isda siguro dyan.
partner groups. So we have
Wala. Isang restaurant din.
here at Gateway. We have Care Center Montero.
Yan, pinto.
And we also have PR Guard. And we have our partner sponsors, Alex,
Two MRT. So dito tayo guys. Pa MRT rito. Dito tayo sa taas. Going to MRT. Grace. Ayan. Naligaw na ako rito ah. So, sasakay tayo ng MRT papuntang Boni. Yung naligaw tayo rito sa ating dinaanan ng mall eh. Dahil pasikot-sikot. Pero ayon sa araw, tinuro tayo. So, ayun oh, may mga tambayan sa loob oh. Kainan din. Ang ganda oh. So, pwede ka mag-relax dyan oh. May upuan, may lamisa. Tsaka maliliman lugar oh. May mga puno pa ng tawag yan, palm tree. Kaya guys oh, para kang sa isang garden. The best kung may ganyan ka sa bahay. Okay guys, lalabas tayo. Dito na tayo. Lalabas tayo na yung MRT. Tagos tayo rito. Dunkin' Donut. Saan balusot niya ito? Luma Italian. Okay. So dito tayo. Lusot. Guys, naligaw na ako rito. sabi daw palabas ng MRT. So saan ba ako lalabas? Tingnan natin dito sa upper na to eh. Yun oh. Baba nga ako rito. Dito na. Ba, bagong gawa oh. Steak. Awit ako rito. Ito lang palabas. Ay, ito. Palabas dyan, oh. Sa patungo nito. Paktay. Dito na. LRT.